is GFJN 2026 and I'm having a good time here since I'm a model. I have 3 garments for the show, so let's just see what happens. I'm going with the flow, and I just hope that you like the show and that you like me as a model.
Hello everyone, my name is Athira and I'm doing a diploma in fashion design. But here I am, I got a chance to do modeling. With the support of the faculty and my peers, I'm able to do modeling. That was such a shock for me because never in my life, I have dreamed about it, but never in my life did I think I would be having a chance. And this is my second time doing it. All I have to say is, this has been a very wonderful experience.
It's a fashion show which everybody wanted to have.